Hafren Forest is a scenic woodland area in mid-Wales, located near Llanidloes in Powys. It covers around 40 square kilometers and is named after the River Severn, which has its source nearby. Hafren is the Welsh name for the Severn. The forest is managed by Natural Resources Wales and is primarily made up of conifer plantations, though there are also areas of native woodland. Key features: walking trails. Hafren Forest has several well-marked trails, including routes leading to the Severn Break its Neck, a stunning waterfall, and the source of the River Severn. Wildlife. The forest is home to red kites, buzzards, otters, and various other species. Outdoor activities. Visitors can enjoy hiking, mountain biking, birdwatching, and photography. History. Though it's now a man-made forest, the area has historical significance, with links to ancient Welsh. Walking routes in Hafren Forest. Severn Break its Neck Trail, 1.5 miles/2.4 kilometers. A short but scenic walk leading to the Severn Break its Neck waterfall, a stunning cascade where the River Severn tumbles down through the forest. Source of the Severn Trail, 7.5 miles/12 kilometers. A more challenging route that takes you through the heart of Hafren Forest to the source of the River Severn on Plinlimmon Mountain. Highlights: open moorland, wooden boardwalks, and the river's humble beginning. 3. Blean Hafren Falls Trail, 3.5 miles/5.6 kilometers.